Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of speaking with Sandy Brown. He's a candidate for mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Sandy.
Thank you for having me, Brad.
So today I want to talk to you about town growth. A lot of people feel there's an ideal size for the town, or that the town should grow more, the town should not. Where do you see the town in 5 to 10 years?
Well, I'm going to go back to when I moved to Orangeville, which is 28 years ago. I was working in Brampton, and my wife and I went for a drive, and we came up here and we found this nice little town only 30 minutes away from the GTA and from where my job was. And we got more bang for our buck in our real estate purchase and the purchase of our home. So, and we're super glad that we came to Orangeville. I mean, it's a great place to raise a family. Our kids were involved in sports. I think the education that they got at the local public schools and the high school was of a high level. And our boys have gone on to be successful in their adult lives. So I think it's a great town. I like the size of it. In that same period of time, we've seen other towns that were of similar size at the time, like Newmarket, Aurora, Milton. I mean, it's remarkable, the growth. And you know, the word urban sprawl kind of comes to you see the tracts and tracts of homes that have been built. And Orangeville's unique in that it's got some restrictions here. We don't have a good supply of water, fresh water. We're on wells here. Until last year, we had sewage treatment capacity issues here. So there's some restrictions that are outside of land that are causing a slower development of the town. You probably know, being a realtor, there's something called the Places to Grow Act. The province sets goals for towns to grow to a certain size. Pretty sure it's 2031. They're predicting, or not predicting, but almost demanding that the town grows to 36,000 people by that time. And we're probably on track for that. There's a debate going on about the new development on Hanson, 600 plus units, both apartment and townhouse units going in there. So there is going to be additional growth. The area, I guess, up Veterans Way is continuing to develop. Cachet has got some new homes that they're selling. So the town's growing at a steady growth, and every town needs to. In order to pay for infrastructure, there's development charges that are brought in when new homes are built. That's healthy for the town to take that money in. And I like the size of Orangeville right now. I don't want to see it become one of these GTA sprawling areas. I think good steady growth, and we're also positioned here not near a major highway. We're a little bit out, of the mainstream traffic. Although Highway 10 is obviously very busy, but I'm good. I'm good with the growth that we're experiencing right now.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you very much for your answer, and certainly we look forward to seeing what else you have to say. If you'd like to see some of the other videos that Sandy Brown has created, feel free to take a look at the links below. And thank you for watching.